Hey guys, Todd with Great Escape Farms here. This should be a real quick video. I'm just proclaiming or professing that I did something stupid, and I bought a Bing cherry tree. So I have several different sweet cherry trees here, and I needed something to cross-pollinate. Bing is the recommended one, so I went and I bought a Bing tree today. I've been looking for one for a while in the local stores, and I was excited to see one, so I went ahead, I grabbed it, and I brought it home. I planted it, and I noticed that some tips were broken off here, so I was going to go ahead and prune those up, right? And then I noticed it's brown wood, it's not green wood, so it happened a while ago. So I went and this one was broken up, and I broke it back a little further, and what I was looking for was green, and there's nothing green. So everything on this branch is dead because I should see green. So then I stuck my fingernail in right here, and it's brown right there. And I went down a little further, and in some of the other ones here, and all of the branches are dead. So this tree is dead. I just planted a dead tree, so completely stupid on my part. Let's see if I can find one. Yeah, here's one here I can get to. So let me show you what it should look like. There's a bunch of buds on this one, but again, it's local here, so I'm not gonna say anything bad if the other one doesn't have buds, because who knows where it came from. But when you peel it back, you see right at the tip of my finger there is green. And any tree that you get, any tree I've ever had of any type, and I'm sure there's some out there that aren't, but any tree I've had, fruit tree, bush, otherwise, when you peel it back, if it's alive, that branch is alive, you should see green there. So just a real quick time saver for you, I hope. Before you go digging a hole and putting something in, is check and make sure the darn thing's alive. So now I need to dig that up and take it back to the store and see if I can find another Bing cherry tree. That's it for this quick video. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, follow us on Odyssey, and check us out on greatescapefarms.com. Thank you very much and have a great day.